Hello and welcome to part 4 of topic B2 organisation. This covers non-communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases are those that cannot be spread between people. They last longer and can get worse slowly, for example asthma, cancer and coronary heart disease. Certain risk factors can increase the chance, like your lifestyle, exercise, diet, smoking and drug taking. You need to know about cardiovascular disease. This is to do with the heart. Coronary heart disease is caused by arteries getting blocked by fatty material. So the arteries that supply blood to the heart get blocked with a material called cholesterol. This causes a lack of oxygen to the heart because the oxygen can't move through the arteries very well. It can result in a heart attack. To overcome this, there can be stents inserted into arteries to keep them open. But when inserting stents, there's a risk of infection and blood clots. You can also be given drugs called statins that reduce cholesterol. Heart transplants are possible or are artificial heart until donors are found. You can also have heart valves replaced and transfusions of blood to keep people alive during emergencies. Cancer. Cancer is caused by uncontrollable cell growth and division. So when cells grow uncontrollably, you can form tumours, growths of cells. And tumours can be benign, which means they're not cancerous, or they can be malignant, which means they're cancerous. Malignant tumours grow and then spread to healthy tissue and damage them. And sometimes cells can break away and travel in the blood to other tissue, forming secondary tumours. There's increased chances of cancer linked to smoking and carcinogens, obesity, UV exposure, viral infections and sometimes genetics. Here's some data looking at non-communicable diseases. For example, the graph on the left shows the difference between male and female lung cancer rates and the number of cigarettes smoked. And you can see that there is a relationship between smoking and lung cancer. The graphs on the right show the difference between men and women and obesity and the chance of getting type 2 diabetes. This graph on the left shows the alcohol-related deaths in England and Scotland over the years, and the graph on the right shows causes of deaths that could have been avoided, other non-communicable causes. So, if you pause the tutorial and answer these questions. So, a non-communicable disease is a disease that cannot be passed from one person to another. Risk factors associated with cancer might be smoking, obesity, UV light exposure, genetics, viral infections. Of course, cancer can occur for no reason as well, but this is some of the risk factors that could be associated with it. How can heart disease be treated? Using stents, statins, which are drugs to lower cholesterol, artificial hearts, heart valves and artificial blood. We've looked at non-communicable diseases.